Today we are whipping up an incredibly simple potato and egg dish. It's the perfect combo of delicious and nutritious, making it a fantastic choice for breakfast, lunch, or a quick dinner. All ready in just minutes. Let me show you how to make it in your own kitchen. Hi everyone, I'm Bori. If you're new, welcome. We are building something awesome here, and you can be a part of it from the very beginning. The best way to help this new channel grow is by hitting that subscribe button. It only takes a second and makes a huge difference, and thanks a million. Let's fire up the stove and begin cooking. We will start by thinly cutting the leafy part of the green onion. We won't need the stem portion since this is just for garnish. The next ingredient you will need is potato. Simply grate 3 potatoes, then squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This step helps the potato fry up crisp and golden brown. Egg is an essential ingredient for this recipe. Adding a whole egg makes the dish more satisfying and turns simple pan-fried potato into a more complete meal. As the ingredients prepare, let's begin cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add potato. Spread them out. This will take about 5 minutes or so before flipping. Look at that, beautiful, the color. You can add a little bit more butter for more flavor. I am using grass-fed butter. Gonna fry this about 3 minutes. Next, pouring the whole eggs on top of the potato. Season it with a little salt and black pepper. Then we are going to cover the lid. Okay, the egg looks ready now. I am going to turn up the heat. The result comes out beautifully golden brown and looks delicious. By the way, I enjoy making this simple 3 potatoes and 2 eggs breakfast for my family. I am just curious, what do you usually make for yourself or your loved ones? Let me know in the comment section below. Look at this pan-fried potato with eggs. An incredibly nutritious and delicious meal you will want to make every single week. The eggs are perfectly cooked with runny yolks, and the potatoes are crispy and buttery, making this a perfect meal for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Feel free to multiply the recipe if you need to make a larger batch. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your families and friends. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss my next upload. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.